Today I will show you how to use soldering iron on net fabric. Warm up the soldering iron for just 2 minutes, then start using. Soldering iron is essential for the patches. It can be used for silk, organza, and net embroider patches, but I will be using to remove excess material. Tips: benefit of using soldering iron: fine and precise cutting, ideal for creating complex fabric patterns. Enables to create sharp and defined outlines, cutting accuracy. Health and safety. Do not touch the metal part equals when it's hot. Hold it from yellow part equals like a pen. Keep flammable materials away from soldering area. In my next video, I will show you how to attach embroidered patch for a party wear.
Like, subscribe, comment, and share, please.
Thanks for watching.